The Environmental Science and Stewardship program at Patrick Henry College is designed to fully integrate with the rest of PHC's classical core, and it does this in 3 specific ways.
All courses in the program have an underlying biblical worldview and philosophy that acknowledges God as creator, the world as his revelation, and mankind as its stewards.
Secondly, students receive a robust foundation in the interdisciplinary field of environmental science. And just like the rest of the core at PHC, students will receive a wide variety of instruction from a number of different disciplines.
By participating in research and internships specific to their career goals, students learn to apply and build on knowledge gained in class.
Students in the ESS program will be able to choose from one of 4 different educational paths.
The General Environmental Studies path prepares graduates for entry-level jobs in graduate programs in environmental science. Students can also choose from an array of additional science courses to prepare them for a research-based career, such as wildlife conservation or natural resource management.
The Law and Policy track will prepare students with both the political and the scientific backgrounds to carefully and responsibly evaluate environmental regulations, both present and future. Graduates from this program will be prepared for government entry-level jobs as well as non-governmental positions in organizations and think tanks.
The ESS pre-med track grounds requisite courses in a broader scientific and philosophical framework. Students are equipped to succeed on the MCAT and thrive in medical school and in practice.
The Science Pedagogy track trains students to teach science in a both biblically and philosophically consistent way. Graduates will be taught how to foster a lifetime love of learning in their own students.
In all of these tracks, the Environmental Science and Stewardship program allows students to study science with purpose. Future teachers, researchers, physicians, and policymakers are equipped to use their scientific understanding to better love their neighbors and steward God's creation. For more information, please visit phc.edu/ESS and feel free to reach out to us.